Hi, grade sixes. Welcome to your IXL lesson today. Let's get straight into it. It's the last one we're doing for 3D figures. We're going to be looking at nets of 3D figures, and we're going to be looking at points of view. And then that's such a quick little session that we've had, a little quick section. So another math test on Monday. Spend some good time trying to figure these out. Figure, you get it, figure. Right, so which figure will this net make? So if you look at the net basically, if you were to take a cereal box and just cut it, or we do this for recycling, we take apart the glued little section, we flatten it, and then you fold and put it so it's a flat box instead of this big 3D shape. Right, so if you were to cut any of these shapes out, you would have it flat. Any packaging, actually, it starts off being a net, a flat piece of cardboard or whatever the material that they use, and then it gets folded up together and connected, and that's how the product is shipped off to you. So it all starts as a flat shape. So if you were to look at this net, and you would then have to roll it up and stick it and glue the corners and whatever it is together to make a 3D object, which one of these would it make? So you can see here that there are circles in this net. If we look at this guy, there are no circles at all right? So there's a circle here, a circle at the bottom, and then this big rectangle. If you rolled it around like a toilet roll, right, of the toilet roll paper, you would see bathroom paper. You would see that if you cut it and flattened it, it would become a rectangle. So this guy is definitely the cylinder net. All right, let's look at this one. Which net will make this figure? Again, here we have a circle, and there is no circle there. This would actually make a cone, and this would be a possible net for this shape. You could actually make a few different nets for a cube, but go back. And let's actually pick an answer. There we go. Let's look at one more. All right, so which figure will this net make? We've got triangles. On this side, we've got squares. So triangles, that's an easier one. All right, so look at what you've been given, see what the options are, and narrow it down by a process of elimination. Okay, all right, let's look at BB4. Front, side, and top view. When I started this exercise, I thought of Josiah looking at his Rubik's Cube, because the very first one that I tried on my account, it looks exactly like a Rubik's Cube. There is just one color. Anyway, so if you look at this object from the top, what would you see? All right, so here we can see it in a 3D view. If I was looking at it straight from the top, I would see these light pink blocks only. I wouldn't see the sides at all. All right, and so that is just one little group of 3 in a row. All right, so that would be not the correct one. So this one with the 3 in a row would be what I would see from the top. Okay, and here we've even got a little guy standing. You can see, which helps you understand which side view that he's looking at. If you look at this object from the side, what would you see? So we know that he's looking at this side and not this side. So it's this dark purple, and there are 9 squares together in a box. All right, so that is the option that you would see from that side view that he's standing from, his perspective. One more, if you look at this object from the front, again, this little guy is showing you where the front is, okay? So there's 2 along the top, and there's 4 down, okay? So let's see. 1, 2, they both have 2 at the top, so we need to, yeah, 4 down, 4 down. That's it. This is too high, so that's not what he's looking at. All right, and that's that for today. I think that's a lot easier than your transformations, perhaps. Again, everyone's got their thing of what they're good at and what they struggle with. So do as much as you can and enjoy your day further. Bye for now.